Natun-an comes from the root word tuon, meaning studio or kat-on, right? Tuon. Kahimtang is the way things are, the current situation, right? Situación. Tando is to nod your head, yes, up and down, right? Sanga is branches or twigs, right? From whatever things that branch off of something. Doesn't necessarily have to be trees, right? When you're doing graphs and stuff, you can also describe that. Sumala is the same as matud or segun. Ungo, oh sorry, not ungo, lingo. So lingo, lingo means to shake your head, like shake your head. No, it's not ungo, because ungo is actually monster, but this is an L and that's an I, not a U. Gangsa is a swan or a goose, that big white bird. Ganso is a safety pin, safety needle, safety clip. It's just something that can clip things together, and then it's not poking out. So it can clip it together that doesn't poke out. Kalot can mean to dig as well, but we also can say kalot to be itchy all over, like it's just this massive itchiness or hives or something, right? Ooh, it's just kalot kalot. Ah, very itchy. Pico is a pick or a pickaxe, like if you're gonna go ice climbing, or glacier climbing, glacier, something like that, right? Or you're just picking at the dirt. If you're gonna plant something, use a sharp pick that you're just gonna pick at the dirt or on the ground. Caras is a rake or a harrow ready for planting. Laum is similar and the same as dahum and hinaot, both expressing hope and desire for something to happen. Binhi is the same as liso. Tagay is cheers, and katalagman is a calamity or disaster from the root word tagman, right? Tagman.